The trial within a trial in a sex for grades case involving a law professor has ended. The chief district judge has ruled that 6 statements made by the professor to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau should be admitted. Tey Tsun Hang had claimed that he was threatened into confessing and did not do so voluntarily. But Judge Tan Siong Thye said he finds this hard to believe and is of the view that Tey fabricated and exaggerated some of the evidence. A key issue raised was why Tey didn't complain or lodge a police report about the CPIB officers if he felt he had been coerced. The judge also said Tey could have sought advice from the Dean of the Law Faculty at the National University of Singapore or from his peers. The main trial will now resume with Tey, who is handling his own defence, grilling CPIB officer Tey Tsun Hang tomorrow. 41-year-old Tey is accused of taking sex and gifts from his former student, Doreen Koh, in return for lifting her grades.